This is why we talk about potential a lot and possibility, because we are all living into possibility right now. We are all living into potential. When you make a decision today, you're making it based on what you think that's going to do for you in your imagined future. This is why relationships and first dates are so exciting if you think it's going to go somewhere. Because imagine going on your first few dates with someone, you think, oh my God, I'm going to get married to this person. What experience does that create in the present moment? Excitement, joy, giddiness, because of an imagined potential future. Guess what? It's all created. When you're playing the performance game, the outer game, there's things that we all want. And we think that those things are going to give us the inner game. Because I think that would give me more freedom. I think that might give me more joy. All those external things I want, I think will give me internal things. So when we think we're playing the outer game, we're actually playing the inner game. Because everything we want on the outside, we want because we think it's going to create an inner state. It's for a while, it's going to create some sense of freedom and look at me and relaxation and things. I'm generating that experience. It seems like it's coming from the outside, but it's me creating it. Now, the real trick is generating your internal experience without external things and then coming from that place.